It's time to check in with CoinDesk Global Policy and Regulation Managing Editor Nick Day, who is also the editor of CoinDesk's State of Crypto newsletter. Good morning, Nick.
Good morning.
As we speak, the SEC's general counsel is testifying before the House Financial Services Committee on the agency's oversight of crypto. What are the key takeaways we have so far?
Yeah, so this is the first of two hearings on the SEC today. The second one is going to be on the SEC Division of Trading and Markets. So far, this first hearing has really kind of broken down to party lines, where Republicans say that the SEC has not been super responsive to committee requests for information about rulemakings and investigations, including investigations into Sam Bankman-Fried, while Democrats claim that Republicans are trying to micromanage the federal agency. So far, some of the initial questions have been, kind of focused on that particular theme. The SEC, which sent its general counsel Megan Barbero to testify today, is trying to respond to these allegations, discussing, basically, whether or not it's being sufficiently responsive to the committee's requests for information.
Politics in Washington? I'm shocked. Shocked there's politics in Washington. Meanwhile, the SEC is, of course, as you know, they sued Binance and Coinbase earlier this month. I think, unless you're stuck in a submarine somewhere, you've heard about this. Any discussion about this so far?
Those particular lawsuits have not come up yet. There has been some brief discussion about the SEC's role as a civil agency, but so far, the only crypto related issues that have really come up is Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX. For example, there was a question about SEC Chair Gary Gensler meeting with Bankman-Fried. That's been the general tenor of the questioning so far.
There's another hearing on the SEC's Division of Trading and Markets at 10:30 a.m. Eastern. What do you expect to hear there?
Honestly, if it sticks to the same threads as this one, it'll probably be focused on the rulemaking from the agency, whether or not the rulemaking allows for companies to do their business. The West Virginia versus Environmental Protection Agency case has already been brought up as something that the SEC should be looking towards, from Republicans on this committee, basically saying, or implying that the SEC is overreaching its bounds by trying to conduct some of the rulemakings that it has created and worked toward.
Nick, thank you very much for joining us this morning and taking some time away from the hearing. We'll let you get back to it. That was CoinDesk Global Policy and Regulation Managing Editor Nick Day. Don't forget to sign up for the State of Crypto newsletter on CoinDesk.com.